Hey Majors, I'm Cole, and today I wanted to run you through one of the features I'm using all the time, and that's SQL Blocks. In most of my pipelines, I use SQL Blocks to connect to different data warehouses or databases, but let's go ahead and open up a pipeline so we can get started. We're going to hover over our left-hand menu there, hit the pipeline button, and then we'll scroll down and open up this PGA Tour live scoring project that I've been working on. Let's go ahead and open up the file browser here. So what you're looking at here is a data loader block from an API. We can just go ahead and run the code here because that's not really the point of our tutorial here. But the code ran, and you can see that we get some data returned in a pandas data frame here that is, that is ready for downstream transformation in our SQL blocks. So the next thing we'll do, let's go ahead and head over. We'll find our bronze table, and I'll show you the different features within a SQL block. So here we are. We're looking at our bronze live PGA scoring data block. And you can see that we have connected this to BigQuery, and that we're using the profile Google from the ioconfig.yaml file. Let me just show you that really quick because this is how we integrate all of our blocks within different data warehouses or databases. But you can see it's just a configuration YAML file. You would provide it your own project, these configurations, and then you would have your SQL or other data exporter or data loader blocks connected to your Google Cloud account. But let's go ahead and close this. We'll head back over to our SQL block. And there's two ways in Mage to run a SQL block. The first way, you can use raw SQL. So if you need to write multiple SQL statements, you can see this create table statement as well as a merge statement. This is how you're going to want to create your SQL blocks that run multiple SQL queries. And you can see when I uncheck this box, you can see that you can set your database name, your schema, and your table to be what you want to write to Google BigQuery. These are usually for like super simple select statements that you just want to select data from an upstream block and write it into your data warehouse. You can also set your policies of how you want to write your data, so you can append it, fail it, or replace it. Failing is just raising an error during execution. But since I have multiple SQL statements, let's go ahead and recheck this use raw SQL block, and we can scroll down and look through the SQL code a little bit. But we have a create table. We're creating a table if it doesn't exist, and then we're merging certain data based on a match. Based on not matching H keys here. So we were just, whenever a new H key is found, it's going to merge, it's going to insert data into our table that we created. So let's go ahead and scroll back up, and we're going to run this code. And you can see it may take a few seconds, but we'll go ahead and scroll down while it runs. You can see the entire code, and then let's check the output here. And you can see that we've outputted another data frame here for you to see, but you can check here that we did successfully export this data to BigQuery. It should show up in BigQuery as as the live scores bronze table, and it should be in the live round schema within that lyrical drive or your project names database. But that's it for me today. Thank you. Have a good day.